Just a little picture of the wind damage we had. This would have been from last Thursday, I believe. So, not sure what happened here. That tree looks to be fine, but a couple here that knocked down from who knows where. So we'll try and get back in there and find out where that's from. And looking at the leaf there, it looks like it's a maple tree. So, oh yeah, I see some mess back in there. I don't know if we can get back to it, but we're gonna, because that's what we do, is we'll try. So maybe a little choppy on the video here for a minute while I hunt my way through the brambles and see what we got going back in here. Okay, it was that big tree. And pretty good sized branches, but it just blew apart at the bottom here. So I don't know if it got struck by lightning. I don't know how you would tell that if it did, but I don't remember any lightning being close. But it looks like the rest of the tree might be intact. You can see a big bough going off that way. And then you can see where it blew apart right here. Looks like it's probably rotten inside, where you can see that dark hole right in there. So probably not long for the rest of it to come. And then it looks like it may have been assisted. That one seems precariously unvertical. So looks like it went up, and that I believe is somewhat of a widowmaker. So we'll have to Google that and find out how to bring that sucker down peacefully. But so here's some back in the woods. You can see the sunset going down over there. But nothing. I mean, stuff's got to come down, so it'll be okay. We'll get back here and get it cleaned up before anybody gets hurt. I don't know what kind of tree that one is, but it looks relatively dead. The angled one. I wish it was more of this angle, laying on the ground, of course. But boy, I must be a heavy sleeper. Didn't hear that at all. And then here's kind of the front of that other one. You see, it looks like it was a dead one anyways. So I don't know if it hit this branch here and brought it down and was enough to break it, but it's a mess. We got some cleanup to do. So maybe I'll get some time to do that and we'll show you it someday. Probably this winter, to be honest. It's a long ways back in the woods and out of the way of everything we got going on right now. But there's the rest of it. There's the old Tractorino. So we can always hook up to that and pull some of this out. But yeah, looks like a pretty dead tree. It's probably just housing raccoons and stuff. So we'll see if we can't catch them humanely, sure. All right, just something new to look at. We'll see y'all later. Have a great day.